All right, so in a previous video, I showed that I used a razor blade to get up paint off the floor. That's not always going to work for some people if their paint is stuck to the floor really well. So there was parts, even when I was doing it on my floor, where it stuck really bad, and you can see now that everything is kind of all the same color, and the reason is because I grinded the whole floor. The reason why I'm doing that is because we're going to put epoxy down, so I need a clean surface. What I used was an angle grinder, and then I used this 4-inch wheel. It's a diamond grinding wheel, and it was about $48 at Menards, and it worked really well. It was a lot of work. I got everything wet while I was doing it, and that created like a slurry. And so now I'm just using this scraper right here. I'm going to scrape the floor to get all this slurry off, dried slurry, and then I'll put that in the wastebasket, and then I'll start cleaning the floor. I don't want that stuff there to be going in the drain. So then I'll start prepping it, and then we're going to epoxy. If you decide to do this, which I highly recommend, if you're going to lay down epoxy, it's really dirty. So just a heads up that whatever you're wearing, basically when I was done with this, I did this whole floor, and maybe it took a couple hours or something like that. It went really fast. I just got in the shower with all my clothes on and went from there, and that worked out really well. Just got everything rinsed out really well. So yeah, just kind of doing this for myself, so I know in the future if I epoxy anything else that this is the way to do it.